Alright, so we got a Santa Fe here, and customer complaint is knocking in the rear end over bumps. So what I have found, let me grab a light. So we have the tire off. Get a light set up. So we have the sway bar link, which is here, and then the sway bar itself here in the bushing. And what has happened, let's see if the camera can pick this up. Hope you guys can see that, but the bar is actually moving. The bushing's worn out, so this would cause a knock. So this is pretty easy to change. You take the 2 bolts off, lift the bracket up, put the bushing on, 2 bolts back on. So pretty simple fix. So if you got a knocking the rear end on your Santa Fe, that's one thing you'd want to check.